Mainit-init na chismis. Donna Pangilinan opens up about girlfriend Bel Mariano. I'm very happy having her around. Donnie admitted being very happy around Bel. Yung sa amin, yung relationship namin ni Belinda, it's light, it's fun. Like I don't need to force anything. It's there, the chemistry, relax, and sa ngayon, sa dami nating pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, sa mga nagdaang pandemic, we need those kind of energy from other people. Yung lightness of being, nakukuha namin yun sa isa't isa.